RAVPower PC USB charger. Today, I'll introduce our new product for you. Now, let's start it. In the package, we provide English user manuals, free bonus for RAVPower, and the main point, our RAVPower USB charger. Now I'll give you some details about this item. On the front, you will see our logo, RAVPower. On the side, there's a USB host. You can charge your iPad, iPhone by your own USB cable and put this side to your PC directly. On the back, there is a button. You can change the working model. There are two modes of the USB charger. The default mode is charging mode, and the LED is red. Press the button. The LED turns to green. It turns to the scenic mode. Now, you can transfer your data into your computer. The main function of these smart items is to charge your iPhone, iPad quickly and efficiently. For example, oh no!